Hello children, welcome back to the English 2 session. As you all know, in the previous session we were dealing with the topic present continuous tense. Okay, we have solved exercise A and today we are going to solve exercise B from our textbook. So children, I want all of you to open your grammar textbook to page number 45. Okay, this is exercise B. All will keep your finger on the book and repeat after me, okay? Look at the pictures. Write what these people are doing. Use the words in the brackets. Okay, here they have told you to look at the picture and write what the people are doing. And they have given you the verbs in the bracket. You have to add ing to the given verbs in the bracket, and along with that you have to use the helping verbs am, is or are. Okay, here is the first example done for you. Mother is carrying a heavy bag. Carry is given, they have added ing to the main verb and plus they have added is here because mother is singular. Okay, let's see the next example. The children dash in the puddle. Here children is plural. Okay, so we use the helping verb are. Children are splashing. S-P-L-A-S-H-I-N-G. Splashing. Splash is given. We add ing to the verb. Third one. Sapna dash in her room. Sleep is given. So here Sapna is singular. So we use the helping verb is and add ing to the main verb. Right? The fourth one. Anna dash her lunch. Anna here is singular. So Anna is eating. E-A-T-I-N-G. Eating her lunch. Okay, let's turn the page and look at the next example here. Fifth example. Sayan and Rita dash the little plant. So here Sayan and Rita, this is plural. Okay. So Sayan and Rita, plural, we use are. Are watering. W-A-T-E-R-I-N-G. Watering the little plant. Sixth one. The monkeys dash from the tree. Monkeys. Here monkeys is plural. So monkeys are, swing is given. So we add ing. It becomes swinging. S-W-I-N-G-I-N-G. Swinging from the tree. Seventh one. Arpita dash her hands with soap. Wash is given. So Arpita here is singular. So Arpita is washing her hands with soap. The eighth one. Nitin dash the pieces of paper. Collect is given. So we add ing. It becomes collecting. So Nitin is singular. So we use is. Nitin is collecting. C-O-L-L-E-C-T-I-N-G. Collecting the pieces of paper. Ninth one. These men dash big turbans. Men here. Men is plural. Wear is given. So we add ing. It becomes wearing. So men, these men are wearing. W-E-A-R-I-N-G. Wearing big turbans. 10th one. Grandfather dash a newspaper. Read is given. If we add ing, it becomes reading. So grandfather is singular. So we write is. Grandfather is reading. R-E-A-D-I-N-G. Reading a newspaper. The next example here. Jogin dash his toes. Jogin here is singular. So we use the helping verb is. Jogin is touching. Touching. Touching his toes. The next one. Zakir dash stamps from the post. Buy is given. If we add ing, it becomes buying. So here Zakir is singular. So Zakir is buying. Buying. Buying stamps from the post. The next one. Many people dash at the bus stop. People here is plural. So we use the helping verb are. Many people are standing. 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 Is it clear, children? 14th one. Preetham dash his teeth. Okay. Now Preetham here is singular. Brush is given. If we add ing, it becomes brushing. As it is singular, we use the helping verb is. Brushing. Brushing. Brushing his teeth. The last one. Dinesh dash his favorite song. Sing is given. If we add ing, it becomes singing. So, Dinesh, singular, is singing. Singing. Singing his favorite song. Okay, children, I hope you have understood this exercise. We are going to stop here for today and continue in the next session. Thank you, children.